Now next is proximity sensor. A proximity sensor is an instrument which can easily sense object without having any physical interaction or contact. So proximity sensor is used to easily sense an object without having any physical interaction with the object. The mechanism involves an emitting electromagnetic field, light or ultrasonic sound which allow it to look for any unusual activity or change in the field and finally return the signal. So what mechanism they use for emitting electromagnetic field, light or ultrasonic sound? The object being sensed usually depends on the proximity of the sensor. A simple terminology is the type of object being sensed. Yes, this is the circuit diagram for proximity sensors. So how it works, as we know it is a proximity sensor, so it sends the light from light source into the modulator through the proximity. So that can the major parameter interact with the light entering to the modulation area, resulting in the optical properties of the light. Optical properties means what? Light intensity, wavelength, frequency, phase, etc. So if there is a resulting in the properties of optical light changes, which is called as a modulated signal light, and then uses the influence of the measure on the light transmission characters to complete the detection. So next, when an object moves to the proximity switch and approaches a certain distance, the displacement sensor will only perceive and the switch will act. This distance is usually called a detection distance. Okay, so when object moves to the proximity switch, then what happened and approaches a certain distance. Okay, when it moves from the proximity switch and approaches to a certain distance, the displacement sensor will only perceive and the switch will act. So this distance we can call it as a detection distance, but the detection distance of different proximity switches is also different. Sometimes a detected object is moved to the proximity switch one by one at a certain time interval and then left one by one. So it repeats continuously. Different proximity switches have different response capabilities. Okay, so this is about the proximity sensors. Then why we use proximity sensor? What are the advantages? So it can use to detect both metallic and non-metallic targets. It has good stability. Then switching rate is high. Speed is also high. Then work in harsh environmental condition. Low cost and low power consumption. They are also useful and can help with many security problems. Then disadvantages are they are affected by temperature and humidity. They are difficult to designing. The operating range may be limited. Okay, so these are some disadvantages of proximity sensors. The next is it detects only the metallic targets. Proximity sensors. Okay, so it detects only the metallic targets. They can be easily set off and cause a problem. They are expensive than inductive and capacitive sensors. Okay, so these are expensive than inductive and capacitive sensors. Proximity sensors. So now applications of proximity sensors. So as we see, the proximity sensors are various aspects of life for detecting object, counting pieces, then for velocity measurement, direction of movement, monitoring tools. The inductive sensor application includes machine assembly line, automotive industry, detection of metal parts in harsh condition. So it will be used in a harsh condition. So these are some applications of proximity sensors. Okay. So now here we conclude with our unit number 5, that is sensors and transducer. So if you have any queries, please ask me. Okay, thank you so much.